Hello everyone, this is going to be a part 5 of creating a simple game in Unity. Uh, um getting started, I will organize some stuffs within the project. I will create a new game object and call this coins, and this is going to be old or all coin prefab in a game view. So drag and drop these coins, and I will select all the script and move it to a script folder. So let's get started. uh, I'm going to create a new text UI component to display our score, which we again in a game. I'll open up a score script. I will create a public text object. Creating an object, we need to use a namespace called unity.engine, unityengine.ui, to use all our UI stuffs we use on we use it on our game. Then I will create a public text component, and I will call it a score text. In the start method, I will initialize the score text to something relevant to its work. So score text is a property field that we can that is used to modify our text in the game. uh, Score 0. Then in update score method, I will just copy and paste this code, and this part of a code is going to be replaced by current score. Since a current score is integer type, and the doctor text field is a string type, we need to pass that integer to string. Oops. What's going on here? What's wrong? Oh, sorry. I will just cut and paste that script, that line of code, to the update method. And the beginning of the uh, line, I will just type some hard coded text, and I will use concatenation. Then in Unity, I will just in a text component, I will modify its transform and some stuff to uh, look cool and get a pleasant feel. So this part is going to be your creativity part. You can add some background image and have some cool UI stuffs. So let's hit and play. Oh, I forgot to add a reference of the score text to the game manager. Game script, now hit play. So our score get increases as the player grabs the coins. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoy it. If you really did, hit like button and subscribe for more future videos.